Hello, students. This is Purushottam Vishwakarma, and today I am going to provide you 20 most important MCQs from the little girl. I would like to remind you from this year onward, hopefully, there will be MCQs related to your text as well as unseen passages. I have already provided you the new question paper pattern where 40 marks are for MCQ type questions. That is why it is necessary for us to study MCQs related to chapters. So let's begin. I'll explain the questions as well as answers. And in between, you are supposed to answer the questions before me. And tell me in comment section as well how many of your answers were correct out of these 20 MCQs. Let's begin. The very first question that we have, name the writer of the story The Little Girl. I don't think it will create any problem for you. It's very easy. Court Skinny? No. Phoebe Carey? No. So what is our answer? Catherine Mansfield. I hope you answered it correctly. So our answer is Catherine Mansfield. Why was Kezia afraid of her father? क्या वजह थी केजिया अपने पापा से डरती थी? You need to look at the options very carefully. You have time before I answer. I would like to read it. The first one, because he never talked to her lovingly. Yeah, that is correct. Because he never played with her. That is also correct. Because he kept finding faults with her. That is also correct. So, what is our correct option? All the above. I hope you answered it correctly. Next question. Who were the people in Kezia's family? I think you know. You must know it. Who were the people? Her parents? Yeah. Her parents and granny? Yes, this option is also correct. Her parents, her sister, and her granny? That option is not correct. Her parents, her brother, her sister, and her granny. So, which option is correct for us? Who were the people in Kezia's family? Her parents and her granny, along with Kezia. So option B is correct option for us. We have not studied about her sister or brother. So option B, her parents are and her granny. उसकी दादी और उसके parents घर में रहते थे उसके साथ. Next one. What would Kezia's father do before going to his office? केजिया के पापा ऑफिस जाने से पहले क्या करते थे? क्या करते थे? उसके रूम में जाते थे और he would give Kezia a goodbye kiss. First option is correct option. He would give Kezia a goodbye kiss. और केजिया कैसे रिस्पॉन्ड करती थी? Goodbye father. Now next question. I hope you are doing well. What would Kezia's father do after coming back from his office? जब ऑफिस से आते थे केजिया के फादर तब क्या करते थे? Let's see the options. He would play with Kezia? No, kabhi nahi. He would go out with Kezia and her mother? No. He would go to sleep in his bedroom? No. Then what did he do? He would sit in the drawing room, have tea, and read the newspaper. So this option is correct option for us. Next question, that is sixth question. What would Kezia's father do on Sundays? केजिया के पापा संडे को क्या करते थे? We have options. He would stretch himself on the sofa in the drawing room. Yeah, that is correct. He would put his handkerchief on his face and his feet on a cushion. That is also correct. These two options are correct. He would sleep soundly and snore. He would sleep soundly and snore. खूब अच्छे से सोते थे और खर्राटे भी लेते थे. So all the options are correct. Our answer is all the above. Next question, that is seventh one. Why would Kezia's grandmother encourage her to talk to her father? What was the reason? क्यों दादी उसको encourage करती थी, जाओ अपने मम्मी पापा से बात करो? What was the reason? Let's see. So that she could learn many new things? No. So that she could explain her problems to him? No. So that she could give him some company and make him feel less lonely? No. So, what is our correct option? So that she could know her father better. Option D. So that she could know her father better. Next, that is question number 8. How did Kezia feel when her father looked at her through his spectacles? जब चश्मे से देखते थे उसके फादर तो वो कैसे फील करती थी? फर्स्ट ऑप्शन दैट वी हैव एक्साइटेड. एक्साइटेड मीन्स रोमांचित. नो. Elated, very happy. Elated with joy? No. Terrified? Yes. Shocked, डर जाती थी. So she felt terrified. Excited, elated, and shocked are wrong options. Terrified is correct option. Next one. What would Kezia do while saying something to her father? जब पापा से कुछ बोलती थी तो क्या करती थी? हकलाने लगती थी, स्टैमर करने लगती थी, स्टटर करने लगती थी. So she would stammer. What is our correct option? She would stammer. She would stutter. Next one. To the little girl who was a figure to be feared and avoided. Who was a figure to be avoided for the little girl, Kezia? A ghost? No. Her father? Yes. Her father was the figure to be avoided and feared. Next one. How did Kezia feel when her father left for the office? What was her feeling? She felt very happy, a sense of relief. So, what did she feel? A sense of relief. Now, question number 12. What thing did Kezia's father demand when he reached home in the evening? क्या मांगते थे जैसे ही आते शाम को? क्या डिमांड करते थे? A cup of tea? Yes. Newspaper? Yes. Slippers? Yes. That means all the options are correct. All the above. Question number 13. Who did the father ask for newspaper and his slippers? किससे मांगते थे ये न्यूज़पेपर और स्लीपर्स? द लिटिल गर्ल? नो. द लिटिल गर्ल्स मदर? नो. हिज ओन मदर, यानी कि केजिया की ग्रैंड मदर से. किससे मांगते थे? हिज ओन मदर. What was the name of the little girl? It's very easy. We have already discussed about it. What is the name? Kezia. Who is Alice? Alice is the cook. Margie, you have already studied in the very first chapter. Next question. When did Kezia speak with hearts? कब केजिया रुक रुक के बोलती थी, स्टटर करके बोलती थी, स्टैमर करके बोलती थी? ये कौन सी कंडीशन होती थी? सबके साथ नहीं होता था, केवल एक व्यक्ति के साथ होता था. एंड हु वाज दैट पर्सन? हर फादर, while talking to her father. Question number 16. Why did grandmother send Kezia down to the drawing room on Sunday afternoon? क्या वजह थी कि केजिया की दादी उसको आफ्टरनून टाइम में संडे को ड्राइंग रूम में भेजती थी? लेट्स सी द ऑप्शंस. टू गिव हर फादर एंड मदर टी? नो, दैट इज नॉट करेक्ट. टू हैव अ नाइस टॉक विद देम? यस, दिस ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट ऑप्शन, because she thought she would be able to understand them better after talking to them. Next one. What did Kezia find her mother always doing? केजिया अपनी मम्मी को क्या करते हुए पाती थी संडे आफ्टरनून को? Peeling vegetables? No. Watching television? No. Talking to her father? No. All the options are false. Yes. आपको ऐसे भी क्वेश्चंस पूछे जा सकते हैं। असल में वो कैसे पाती थी उसको? अपनी मम्मी को कैसे क्या करते हुए पाती थी? बिजी इन रीडिंग न्यूज़पेपर। लेकिन अगर ये ऑप्शन में नहीं है तो इस तरह से भी क्वेश्चन आपसे पूछे जा सकते हैं। ऑल दी ऑप्शंस आर फॉल्स। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 18। वेयर डिड केजिया सिट इन द ड्राइंग रूम? जब वो जाती अपने मम्मी पापा के पास और उनको बिजी देखती तो कहाँ बैठ के इंतजार करती थी? ऑन द सोफा? नो। ऑन अ चेयर? नो। ऑन अ स्टूल? यस, दिस इज आवर करेक्ट ऑप्शन। What is your correct option? She waited sitting on a stool. Next one, 19th one. What does Kezia's father compare her to? अभी केजिया के फादर उसको क्या कंपेयर करते हैं? किससे कंपेयर करते हैं? क्या बुलाते थे? लिटिल ब्राउन आउल। A cat? No. A fox? No. A sparrow? No. So what is correct option? An owl. Little brown owl. Next and last one. Why does the grandmother ask the little girl to make a present for her father? What was the reason? कि दादी ने उसको केजिया से कहा कि अपने फादर के लिए एक प्रेजेंट बनाओ। क्या ऐसा क्या होने वाला था? क्योंकि उसके फादर का बर्थडे आने वाला था। The father's birthday was the next week. The very first option is correct option. In this way, I have given you 20 MCQs and hopefully all your answers are correct. Do remember to comment me how many of your answers were correct.